Hello, we're back again for our next installment of our Tech Thursday Chrome browser training. And in this part, we want to talk about extensions and where do I find them and why would I use them. So extensions are extra little things that we add to Google Chrome to make our work more efficient or productive or to extend the power of doing something else. So for example, I am recording myself and my screen speaking to you right now. So I have an extension installed on my screen to allow me to extend the power of Google Chrome to make it record my screen. So if I look up here beside my toolbar, and in Google Chrome, it's called the Omni Bar. If I look beside that Omni Bar, I'm going to see a list of extensions right here, and you can see Screencastify right here is what I'm using to record myself speaking to you right now. Then I have some others right here that allow me to do various things. You high school people probably recognize the purple and white letter K for Cami that is allowing you to annotate and do things with PDF documents in Canvas. I also have here a little color picker. So when I'm making a graphic and I want to match, say I wanted to match this color blue with my little eyedropper here, then I can take my little thing and I want to be sure and I want to use this color blue, then I have the ability to choose that, copy its little code, and put it into my graphical program, whatever it be, and I can match that. So that's just one I use fairly often, and I can just close that with the X. Another one here is Wakelet for curation of resources and things like that. So there's many of these out there. Now you're saying, well, where do I find these extensions to allow me to do different things? So if I go to the Chrome Web Store, which in my bookmarks bar, I have my little favicon saved and ready to go. But for you, if you do not have it saved, I'm just going to type in Chrome Web Store in my Omni bar up here. And then I'm going to just click on it and it's going to open up. So when I go to Chrome Web Store here, it looks just like an app store does on your phone, whether it be an iPhone or an Android phone. And then you're going to see all of these extensions that do various things. Okay, so for example, here's an extension for Google Calendar. So let's see what that does. Just like I'm shopping in my app store on my phone to find apps that do certain things. So maybe I want this Google Calendar extension. I'm going to click on it. And then first I'm going to look at it to see what it does. It'll show me screenshots of what that extension does. So for example, again, it's going to load the icon up here next to your Omni bar, and it's going to allow you to have calendar notifications and a drop down for a quick look at what's on your calendar for today or the week view, what have you. Okay, so it's going to show you what that does. We're going to hit add to Chrome. So let's go ahead and load this one on mine. It'll ask you, do you really want to add it? Add extension. So it's loading, and it's been added to my Chrome browser. So now notice I have this calendar icon up here in my extensions area. It shows me that I have something coming up in 15 minutes, or I can drop it down and see all of these other things that have to do with my calendar. Okay, so again, I went to the Chrome Web Store to do that, so I can just search Chrome Web Store. And it's in my Google Drive, or excuse me, my Google Chrome. And then I can do various things. Grammarly is a very popular one. You might find that a lot of times when you're typing in websites, it doesn't always check the spelling or the grammar like when you're typing into a document. So Grammarly is a good one. Again, Cami and some of those others. So as you hear us mention extensions, this is what we mean. So you go to the Chrome Web Store, you find the extension that you want, and then you hit add to Chrome. Now, to edit your extensions, say I don't want this calendar app anymore or the calendar extension, I'm going to hit simply right click on it, and I'm going to hit remove from Chrome. Or if I do not want it extending my Omni bar up here because it's getting cluttered and in the way, I can right click on it, and I can hide it, and it's not right there in plain view. But if I go and click on my settings button, my three dots, notice, oh, there's that calendar extension that I hid from view. And then I have a few others up here that I have hidden from view, just so it's not taking room away. So again, I can right click on it and I can remove it from Chrome. And it'll ask you, do you really want to remove it? And it'll take it away. So that is the Chrome Web Store. So when you hear us talk about extensions, those are programs within Chrome that you install from the Chrome Web Store that will give Chrome just a little bit more power and allow you to extend the functionality of the browser. So again, if you have any questions or need any assistance, please let us know and we'll be happy to help. See you soon.